This is our RV sofa bed. Here is the couch bed all framed up, and my husband is working on the top part now, so stay tuned.
Okay, we've got the hinges installed on our bed. This one has a little special lock on it you push down. These were purchased off Amazon. I believe they're Vivo brand. 500-pound slides. They come all the way out, locks it out. I've still got to figure out some way to fill that space in whenever the bed lays flat, but there it is. Just bolt them in and frame everything in. Okay, for our sofa bed, we bought this futon off of Amazon. It comes in 2 parts here, so it's perfect for seat belts, and it lays into a bed, but it sticks out a lot on the back, so we're going to do some modifying and cut about 3 inches off. Okay, on the back here, we cut 4 inches off, and now we're just going to put this piece back on and cover it back up, and we should be good to go. On the bottom down here, we will be adding some plywood veneer, and we'll stain it the same color as all the rest of it. All right, here is the finished sleeper sofa. We just screwed it on there after we put some indoor-outdoor brown carpet on the wood. I'll show you how it folds into a bed. All right, so we have a little latch on our slider system to push it down. Slide out, they lock.
And there you have it. And then we'll add some more cushions just to make the bed bigger over here. But that's what you have instead of a jackknife sofa, which are about $1,000. This was probably less than $300 total. Thanks for watching our video, and stay tuned for more progress in our RV.